All right, so we're up here fishing in, on Leech Lake in Walker, Minnesota. And it's mid-October. It's not near as cool as it typically is. We've had some very warm weather leading up to today. And the water temps are still in the low 60s. So the fish aren't really set up in their true fall patterns yet, but they are starting to move up into these shallow flats because they know the bait will be here soon. So they're looking to fatten up for the winter. And what we're doing today is we're using, just being simple with it, jig and minnow. They're hungry, but they want something slower for whatever reason. So yeah, I mean, this is typical bite this time of year as the water just begins its cool down.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.